Okay, great scholars. Remember in the previous class, we treated area of triangles, and I was able to show you how to find the areas of triangles given three sides, and the formula used in that type of triangle is the Heron's formula. Heron's formula that states that area is equal to the square root of x into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And I said to find your s, you simply the half of the sum of the three given sides. So s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, where a, b, and c are the three given sides of that triangle. And I was able to also show you in the second type of triangle where two sides are given. I said the formula in solving such a problem where two sides are given is simply 1 over 2 AB, 1 over 2 AB, or 1 over 2 BH, where AB or BH will be the two given sides. And I said you can as well rewrite the formula as A is equal to AB divided by 2 or BH divided by 2. So once you have a triangle given to you and you're asked to find the area of such triangle, if the three sides are given, then use the Heron's formula. If two sides are given without an included angle, use the A is equal to 1 over 2 BH or 1 over 2 AB. Today we want to consider when two sides are given and one included angle. Area of triangles. Today we are looking at two given sides and an included angle. Two given sides and an included angle. As when you have this, theta, they give you A, B, and you're asked to find the area of this type of triangle where two sides are given with one included angle. This is called an included angle. In that case, the formula you'll be using is simply a combination of the second formula I gave to you, which is A is equal to 1 over 2 AB attached to the sine function. So the area here is equal to 1 over 2 AB sine theta. 1 over 2 AB sine theta. So before you can use this formula, then you need to know how to find your sine functions from your 4-figure table. So if you don't have the 4-figure table, you should get a 4-figure table for yourself. If you don't have a 4-figure table, you should get a 4-figure table for yourself. Because I will carefully show you how to use your sine function from the 4-figure table. Using your 4-figure table, this is the formula. Please note that this is the formula used in calculating or finding the area of a triangle that has two given sides with one included angle. The angle could be anywhere. The angle could be anywhere. But this is the formula to apply. I'll be concerned to help you understand positions of angles if I am to teach you trigonometric functions properly, where we'll start applying some certain mathematical formulas, which is sine A all over sine B is equal to sine C all over sine D. Such functions, I will help you understand how to be concerned about the position of your angles. But in this formula, your angle could be here, your angle could be here. But once you have an included angle given, once you have an included angle given in a given triangle that has two given sides, this is the formula to use, where theta is that included angle. But I said you can't deal with this if you don't know how to find your sine functions from your 4-figure table. So that is why I said we'll be using the West African examination four-figure table here that we have. All students writing the WASSCE examinations are given this book where you have your different functions therein. So, for the sine, let's deal with the sine quickly. We have sine of angles in degree, and we have sine of angles in radians. Angles are measured in degrees. Angles are also measured in radians. So, if you want to find the sine of the angle given to you in this triangle, you need to consider sine of angles in degrees. You see it there written, sines of angles, sines of angles. In bracket, you see x in degree, x in degree. In sines of angles, you have your x numbers, which x simply stands for the magnitude of the angle you're concerned with. So it runs from 0 down to 44, 45, so 89. It runs from 0, S runs from 0 down, vertically down to 45, and to 44, and from 45 down to 89. You also have the horizontal values, which are decimals, running from 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9, with addition of difference from 1 to 9. But I'll be concerned with the decimals and the magnitude of angles at this your stage or at this your point. Then if I'm dealing with only the excess students, I will help you understand better how to deal with your differences. But let us deal with this at this level, because we also have the junior leaders learning this general mathematics that has to do with geometry. Now, here we go. If I want to find sine 38, sine 38, I want to look for sine 38. I will simply go to where I have my x, look down carefully, and see where 38 is. Good, I've seen 38. Then check for 38 under 0. Check for 38 under 0. Remember I said we have the horizontal lines. We have the horizontal lines. We have x running down 0, 1, 2, 3 to 44. We have also x running down here. From 44, we have 45 down to 89. Then we also have the horizontal values 0, 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 in that manner, and stop at 9. So 30 is sine 38. Sine 38 is also seen as sine 38.0. That is why I say you're going to check for 38 under 0. So you carefully run down. This is a 0. This is 0.0. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Horizontally you have up to 0.9. And vertically downward you have the magnitude of the degrees. You have 0 to 44, 45 to 89. So you carefully go to where you have, carefully check 0, 1, 2, 3 to 38. This is 38. Then 38, check 38 under 0. This is 0. 38 under 0. 38 under 0. 38 under 0. 38 under 0. Our answer there will be 0.6157. That is the answer. So sine 38 simply means 0.6157. Let's see sine 38.4 degree. What is sine 38.4 degree? Sine 38.4. Sine 38.4. Let's see what it will be. sine 38.4. Sine 38.4. Still under 38. But this time around, it will not be under 0. It will be under 4. Look at 4. Look at 4 here. Look at 4 here. So trace sine 38. The number that lies at that place, 4 down to 38. This is 38 under 4. Our answer here is 0.6211. Our answer is 0.6211. So sine 38.4 is 0.6211. Sine 38.4 is 0.6211. You can look for other functions. Let's see. Sine 57. Sine 57. Sine 57. Sine 57. In this case, remember sine 57 is the same as sine 57.0. Sine 57.0. So sine 57 does not fall in the first page here because the first page is 0 to 44. The first page is 0 to 44 and 45 continues. So I'm looking for 57. I'll go to where I have 45 continuing to 89. I'll carefully trace down, look down carefully and see my 57. Good. Now check 57 under 0. That will be 0.8387. Now let's see if we can do another example. Sine 64.8. Let's check for sine 64.8. Sine 64.8. So I'll be checking for 64 under 8. I'll be checking for 64 under 8. So what you do is, you go to where you have 64. 64. This is 64. Trace it to where you have 8 standing. Look at 8 here. Look at 8. Look at 8. Look at point 8. So trace 64 under 8. 64 under 8 is 0. On the book here, we don't have 0 point. It's only the first number that has the 0 point. But that 0 point goes with all the numbers on that line. On the book here, what you have is 9048. 9048 is what you have on the book here. But your answer will be 0.9048. 0.9048. 0.9048 is sine 64.8. Sine 64.8 is 0.9048. This is how you use your 4-figure table. I said check for sine of angles in degree, not sine of angles in radian. If you open to sine of angles in radian, you end up having different answers. This is sine of angles in radian. This is sine of angles in radian. If you open this page without checking if it is in degree or radian, all the numbers you have here will be wrong when you're dealing with problems that have to do with degree. So check for sine of angles in degree. This is it. Carefully follow the rules. If you're looking for sine 75.8, it means you check for 75 under 8. 75 under 8. So carefully trace your 75 and see where the number tallies under the 8. That particular number is the answer. And I say your answer will always start with 0 point, what you have in that result. So in our next class, I'll now be showing you how to now use the formula here properly. But don't forget, try to find out these functions yourself. Do this. Use your 4-figure table. Do the following. Do the following. You have 1 sine 70 sine 63.6 sine 42.7 sine 13 sine 16.4. So find out these respective values. In our next class, then we shall deal with this problem regarding the formula. Don't forget the formula of finding the area of a triangle with 2 given sides and 1 included angle is A is equal to 1 all over 2 AB sine theta. See you in our next class.